Hey guys, it's Jan, Not a Real Farm. Okay guys, we are back. It is Tuesday afternoon and I thought I would share a little invention that I came across by a Canadian company called dangerbros.ca. That's their website, danger, D-A-N-G-E-R, bros, B-R-O-S.ca. Now, I've been looking for a way for a really long time to dry out a lot of my seeds. And as you know, when you have a seed company, you have a lot of seeds that you got to dry. And that's sort of what we are doing here at Not a Real Farm. And I've been doing that successfully the old-fashioned way, which is normally laying everything out in front of a fan and laying it on a plate. But I came across Danger Bros by accident. And the company is actually a Canadian company out of Toronto. And they have actually created an electric seed dryer. And I thought I would try it out. So what we have in front of us is actually their seed drying machine, and it is electric. It does have a USB plug on the end of it, but if you do have, for example, like an iPhone cube or a plug that the USB can go into, it can pretty much plug in anywhere, even a computer, which I thought was kind of cool. What I do like about this is mine did come with 5 trays, but I actually ended up getting more trays that I could stack for multiple different seeds. So the first time I tried it, I did peppers. The second layer, I did tomatoes. The next one, I did my pumpkin seeds, and so on and so forth. And you can stack this as high as you want. So what happens with this is the cover comes off, and you can see here that the individual screens hold actually quite a bit of seed. So each one of these screens looks like this on the way down, and you basically just stack it. And I have 2 of them, so I'm going to show you what it looks like on the bottom. I have it plugged in. So you can see here we've got a little fan that's spinning. And the fan itself basically blows all the way up through all of these screens. What I do like about what they've built here is that you can dry multiple different seeds all at once, and a big batch of seed can be done at the same time as opposed to waiting and putting it out on different plates, which is what a lot of us do. We label the plates, we put them out in front of a big fan. This is going to make a really big difference for my seed drying this year. So once again, that website is dangerbros, dangerbros.ca. Check it out. I think this should be something that you should add to your seed saving, seed drying arsenal. I think it's going to make a big difference here at Not a Real Farm. And I just wanted to send a quick shout out to them to say thank you for helping us prepare for this year's seed saving and growing season. That's it for us today, guys. If you have any questions, please pop them below. You can also still visit us at the Etsy store at notarealfarm.etsy.com, but please also check us out at our new Shopify store as well. If you've got the Shop app, all you have to do is search Not a Real Farm, and it'll bring you right into our store. You can also send us an email at info@notarealfarm.ca. See you soon.